What's going on, guys? It's Rodney Ross, the real estate boss. We are out here in front of another one of our rehabs. This is going to be a triplex. We're out here in Belmont Avenue, by the way. So this is a 3-unit building. I'm going to give you the breakdown and then we're going to go inside. So this one we actually purchased for $67,000. We're putting about $175,000, maybe $180,000 into it. Went a little bit over. And the after repair value of this should be around $335,000, $340,000. So the apartment breakdown is upstairs. We've got a smaller 2-bed, 1-bath that'll probably rent for around $1,050. On the second floor in the back, we've got a studio that should get about $775, $800-ish. And then downstairs, we've got a really big 2-bedroom, 1-bath that, in experience, one of our other units, we're getting about $1,150 for. So that's the breakdown here. As you can see, we're out here on Belmont Avenue. We've got Girard Avenue, the trolley station right up here. A couple blocks away from Fairmount Park. If you were to go 2 or 3 blocks in that direction, you'd be at Fairmount Park. And then a couple blocks in that direction, we would be down here at Lancaster Avenue. So, by the way, I love that mural in the background here. So that's it for the area, and let's take you inside. All right, we're in the first floor unit here. So this layout is very similar to another 2-story duplex that we did. In this front first floor area, we've got the kitchen in the back and then the dining room in the front. And then we actually finished the basement here, and the living room is right below this. So it's a really big living room, pretty big dining room here, and then the kitchen layout, which you really can't see past all this mess, by the way, but we're gonna have 2 rows right here. So sink, dishwasher, overhang on the front, and then in the back, we're gonna have the stove, microwave, and then the rest of the cabinets here. So you can see this area is a little bit deeper than our other property that we videoed, and I like it because you can fit, if you wanted to, you could fit a pretty big dining room table in this front area, or it could just be extra seating. So I'm gonna take you towards the middle here, over all this debris. So we've got our bathroom right here, which I'm glad we ended up with a nice big window here too. Standard size, 5x8 tub, toilet, vanity. Nothing too special here. We got really tall ceilings in this unit, which I'm a big fan of, just like a lot of our other buildings. So back here, what's cool about this place is we have 2 really long bedrooms. Hopefully you can see here, by the way, the closet for this bedroom is, again, very, very large. About, I don't know, 6.5 feet. And this bedroom is probably like 16, 17 feet long. So I'm gonna go to the back here. If you see, like, you could fit, if you put a queen bed back here, you'd still have a lot of space towards the front, so you can still fit like a big dresser against one wall and a queen bedroom. I think someone's making sure no one's trying to break in here while we're doing this video. So really big second bedroom here with the 2 big windows, one of which is covered up. And then if we come towards the back here, we've got another very large bedroom. So my one regret for this property is that we didn't, what we're going to be doing with some of our future layouts is we're going to be putting the back door where the bathroom is in some of our next buildings, because in this apartment, this bedroom's huge, but you have to go through it to get to the backyard. Despite that, it's still really big. You can fit probably a king or a queen right here. You've got space for a dresser, and then we've got plenty of windows here, but you can see we made this a nice big closet on this side. So you got plenty of space in front of the closet too. And then we have the back door at a standard, probably 10, 12 foot backyard. And then we're not gonna be able to go into the basement here, but down these deep, dark steps, we've got a really nice wide living room area. And then the washer and dryer is gonna be in the back of the basement with all the utilities and all that. So I'm gonna take you up to the second floor next. All right, so next we're gonna look at the studio. It's in the rear of the second floor here. So you come in this apartment, we had to think a little bit about how to lay this whole apartment out. We've got the bathroom in the front and the open area in the back. So this bathroom here, we squeezed a lot in this little tight space. We were able to put the shower in this corner. The stackable washer and dryer is gonna be next to it. The PEX panel is gonna be on this side, which you can't see. And then the toilet and the vanity are going to be in this wall. So a lot is squeezed in here. I'm glad we were able to fit it, because in the back, we had to leave space for the kitchen, and then they've got plenty of space to put a couch or bed. So the kitchen is going to be an L along this wall. You can see where the plumbing's hooked up. You've got your, looks like your sink here. I think we're putting the dishwasher next to it. We're probably putting the fridge at the end of the kitchen somewhere over here, and then their oven's gonna be right here. We're gonna make this window a little bit smaller too. I think this electric's for the oven. So kitchen's here, and then you've got open area towards the back, which obviously it's a studio. Someone's either gonna put a couch or not put a couch here. You could, what I would probably do is put a little small dining space here, and then just have your bed. You got a nice big closet here, and then we would put the bed in the back here. So yeah, high ceilings in this unit. These boards are covering up a lot of the windows, but we have a lot of windows here. There's literally like 5 windows in this living kitchen area. There's 2 here, 2 on this side, and then 1 right in front of the kitchen. So we may actually close off some of them because we have so many windows, and it's kind of weird if like putting your bed in front of some windows. So, but we can decide that at the very end. So we're gonna jump over to the last unit, the 2-bed, 1-bath on the other side. All right, so our last unit here is gonna be a 2-bed, it's a bi-level 2-bed, 1-bath. So you come in the entrance here, you've got your coat closet, and then we put the bathroom right, I'm sorry, not the bathroom, the utility closet. We did a cool thing here. We made a little half bath on this side. You can see, I don't know if you can see the red line here, there's gonna be a pocket door. So the pocket door is gonna be, you know, the entrance is gonna be right here, and then you're gonna be able to slide the pocket door, and you'll have your bathroom vanity right here. And then on this side, I believe in this half, we're gonna put the heating system, and then or the hot water heater. We're putting the hot water heater here, PEX panel in front. So the living area here, it's a little bit tighter, so what we went with is similar kind of 2-row kitchen. We're gonna have a small little kitchen like this. You can see all the plumbing here. The refrigerator is gonna be at the end. It's actually all drawn out here, which is nice. So I think we're gonna be putting our sink and dishwasher on this side, and then we're probably gonna be putting the refrigerator, stove on this side. So something to mention about when you're doing apartments on several different levels. On this floor, we're actually gonna be putting a layer of, this is the first time we're trying this, like a quickcrete, the concrete stuff layer on top of this wood, and then we're in the bottom, we're actually putting insulation on the other side, because one of our other buildings, we have a lot of sound that you can hear from one floor to another. So we're gonna be doing that through the whole floor. You only need to do on the 2nd floor in a lot of cases if you have a 3-story building, for this type of layout. So we're gonna be testing that. It's costing a little bit more money, but I think it's gonna save people headache, and hopefully they stay longer because there's less sound. So this side's gonna be your living room. They're probably gonna put the couch in this corner, and then I would imagine, I don't know, a TV either right here in front of the stairs, or maybe mounted on the wall. So high ceilings here again, I love, and this faces Belmont Avenue, so we got a lot of light. And then we're gonna come upstairs and watch your step. We can even fast forward this. All right, so up here we've got a little area where we were deciding whether we were gonna put like a door out to a roof deck at some point. That's why we kind of left the window here. It goes right onto the roof. And then next to it, we come in, we've got 2 bedrooms and a bath up here. So this bedroom, pretty squarish, decent size. You're probably gonna put your bed right here, and it's gonna come out. And then you got your closet, decent sized closet. And again, decent amount of light that comes in this floor. And then our bathroom's in the middle. You're seeing a theme here. We have another 5x8 bathroom, tub, toilet, vanity. And then this 3rd bedroom here in the front. You can see the ceilings are like noticeably higher here because a lot of roofs are, this roof is like more pitched than I think some of the other ones we have. So really tall ceilings, bedroom. I would imagine someone will put the queen bed on this side, dressers in that corner. And then we split this little weird closet. I'm sorry, so we have, yeah, right, we don't have a closet on this side anymore. We split this closet in this bedroom into 2 parts because it was a little funky shape. It's not your standard square. We did 1 closet in this corner and then another small closet on this side. So that's it for the 3rd apartment. I'll be making another video doing the breakdown for the numbers, and thanks for watching.